Afrofuturism isn't just an aesthetic. It's the cultural extension of Pan-Africanism, and both are fundamentally about liberation and self-determination. Pan-Africanism gave us the blueprint for political and economic unity across Africa and its diaspora, championed by visionaries like Marcus Garvey and Kwame Nkrumah. But where Pan-Africanism builds the foundation, Afrofuturism imagines the house we can live in, a future where Black people shape their own destinies on their own terms. Think of Pan-Africanism as the fight for real-world sovereignty, control over land, resources, and identity. Afrofuturism is the imaginative liberation that asks, what happens when we win that fight? What stories do we tell? What worlds do we build when we're finally free from the narratives imposed by colonization and oppression? Nowhere is this synthesis clearer than in Wakanda. Black Panther's Wakanda is the Pan-African dream realized. A nation never colonized, with total control over its most valuable resource, vibranium. This is resource sovereignty on a scale that mirrors Nkrumah's vision for a united, self-sustaining Africa. And the ancestral plain scene? That's not just a visual spectacle. It's a profound dialogue between past and future, where tradition guides innovation, and the wisdom of ancestors powers technological progress. But Afrofuturism isn't just on screen. It's in the music, the books, the culture. Sun Ra called his work myth science, using cosmic jazz to imagine Black people as interstellar travelers, rewriting their own mythologies. Janelle Monáe's androids break chains with every beat, turning the struggle for freedom into a futuristic dance. Outkast brought Southern Black sci-fi to the mainstream, turning Atlanta into a launchpad for the imagination. Writers like Octavia Butler gave us communities built on radical adaptation and the idea that God is change. N.K. Jemisin's earth-shattering stories connect Black futures to ancestral power, rooting speculative worlds in real histories and struggles. Afrofuturism is the cultural wing of the Pan-African project, operationalizing the dreams of Garvey and Nkrumah and so many others. It's not just about imagining a better world. It's about building it, one vision at a time. So, what's your Afrofuturist dream? Drop it in the comments, and let's shape the future together. Don't forget to subscribe for more visionary conversations.